Alright folks, we have a 1997 Mercedes-Benz E320 here, and we're going to change the window master switch. These switches here. I'm going to try to hold the camera so that you can watch this happen. Alright, there's usually a door here, so you pop the door open and pop this part up. There's this black piece that's in. Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry, I had to sneeze. But yeah, this piece here, pop it up out. Pop this piece up. You may need to use your hand on the front of it, I don't know. When it's down there, pop the back up and then pop the front up. And yeah, then you pull that up. And you want to just flip it around. Don't stress it. There you go. You'll see you have two wires. Two wires on the back there. Sure, some sort of clip. Yep, this one we're going to need the little Swiss Army knife. Just make sure I'm doing this right, but yeah, should have made just under there. Tell you what, let's go for that one first. And go for that one. Then we'll go for that one. Then what we have here, that's what it's going to look like. You know, switches on the back there. Really looks to me like you just gosh, pop that thing up out of there. It really just pops and slides in, snaps right into this piece. So, I don't know if we can get this on camera, but maybe we can. You can see now this is plastic, so we're going to have to be delicate with it. But you can see the slots. You can see that it's supposed to slide back somehow. But obviously, we're going to have to pull this up to pull it back. So pull this up and then pull it back. I think it's the ticket. Who knows, you're changing it. You might even want to break that off. I don't know. But and that bugger, is one tough son of a gun. Maybe we want to use a tool. You know, we want to use a tool. Maybe, since we're just changing this one, maybe we'll just break this piece out of there. You know, since we're changing it, it's an old piece of junk. Looks like it's had 5,000 coffee spilled on it. At least one coffee spilled on it, that's for sure, because this thing smells like coffee. Okay. Hope that wasn't important. Alright, so now, anyway, now I can see that that part is just separate from the whole unit. That part is. And I'm just going to break it off there, because the new one comes with one. Oh yeah. And voila. See that? You get those two clips off there. Let's see if I can do this. I'm going to set this right like that. But yeah, you get those two clips off there. Yeah, there and there. And then this thing just... it just pops right up out of there. Imagine this is the point now that we grab the new one and drop it in. Okay, let's see. I don't know if I can get that on film or not. We'll see if we can. Okay, dropping it in. Obviously, we're gonna have to pop it in the front slot. See? Pop it in the front like that first. Down. And then take your back one to make sure your front one's in there, and then slide it forward. You know, I guess it appears to me, you know what, actually, before you even do that, it looks to me like there's a clip on the back here that you want to ensure that that's snapped into. Okay? Now you're going to have to pull it into position. Make sure your holes are lining up. Okay, once they are, drop that thing into place. Boom it like that. Make sure your holes are lining up, drop it into place like that. So there you have it. That thing is snapped on now. All we need to do now is re-snap. You can see that? She's on. Boom. Look, she's got a new knob and everything. Flip it over. Look at that. Voila. Yeah, before this lady couldn't line up her window. She bought regulators, and before she brought it to me, she had purchased regulators. And I don't know why she didn't get the motor, but anyway, she didn't need the motor or the regulator. She did need a back regulator, but as far as the front, she just needed a switch. Alright, we got that snapped back in. Alright, snap that one back in. And voila. Okay, they're snapped back in. Let me just place this back over top, like so. Pop that son of a gun in. Pop! Goes the weasel. Alright, and then you take this piece, remember, it goes in there. Kind of want to put that front in first and then put the back in. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Okay? Promise. Alright, that's all. Drop back in. That's all. Put back in. Now this lady should be able to use her window. Hey, there it is. Look, this window was not working before. I don't know if you can see it, gosh, because of the light, but yeah. Window goes up, and it goes down. She's gonna love me. Alright, she already loves me. But anyway, so that's the, that's how you do this job, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. Thanks for watching.